This is so beautiful. Janelle just keeps going, oh my gosh, which I don't blame her because look how beautiful this is.
Minus the window, the bugs.
Yeah, sorry for the squished bugs. We were bug serial killers. But this is so beautiful.
Driving up the Scottish coastline on the NC 500 was the most gorgeous road trip that I have ever taken. With the cows and lambs grazing on the rolling green hills, and old churches and ruined houses dotting the landscape, I was completely charmed by everything that I saw. Our first stop was to Dunrobin Castle. It is a gorgeous castle that is still functional today. Unfortunately, I wasn't feeling very well, so I only got to see the gardens. After that, we were off to Cairnagate, a very old Scottish burial ground.
Hi, cow. We're walking and hiking to get to Cairnagate. We're walking through these fields with like little lammies and sheep, and they're so cute. Do you see the little lammies?
The ruins date back 5,000 years ago, back before the people were even building permanent dwellings for themselves to live in. I thought that was extremely fascinating.
This is so cool.
Bree's favorite thing. Ruins.
After we were finished there, we headed off to go see the ruined Sinclair Gurnago Castle.
Castle. It's thought to be two castles made into one. So this is the foundations and ruins of the old castle, and here's the foundations and ruins of the second. So it was the Sinclair and the Gornago castles made into one, so it's just the Sinclair Gornago castles. This is the only castle in Scotland where the restoration is being funded by the World Monument Fund. It's the same fund that funds the restoration of other big places.
We were a little rushed because we were determined to make it to the very northernmost point of the Scottish mainland, a place called John O'Groats. I wish we had more time to spend there, but after spending a short amount of time there, we had to turn around and head to our next Airbnb so that we could see the Isle of Skye the next day. I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Until the next video, TTFN, ta-ta for now!